Righty, you guys. This is Steve Webb from Sun Up Sundown Fishing. It's March 19th, 2022. The ambient temperature is 44 degrees. The water temperature is 59.2. Manganese crappie should be spawning anytime, you guys. So we're fishing the Lampasas River today. It is about 9 o'clock, 9:20 a.m. I pulled some water out of the lake. That's the clarity of the lake. Now, I was taking the watercolor at the boat ramp, which is really, really clear. So now I'm starting to take it where I'm fishing, which really makes a difference, you guys. Alrighty, y'all. Be back with the fish.
Trying out a new product today. It is Pro Guide Formula Smelly Jelly, deadly effective. I'll be using garlic. Let's see if you can see it. I'll be using garlic. Now, everybody and their brother's using this stuff, so I was like, heck, why not? So basically you just take some of it, especially for hand ties. Just kind of wipe it on in there. Cool. And then we're gonna see, we're gonna give it a shot today, you guys. So let me know what you think.
First fish of the day.
All right. What do y'all think? Crazy, ain't it? Little bitty guy. Hopefully I catch bigger. That's that new one I tied last night. It's a kind of like a copperhead head, brown body with a dull green tail with gold flash. Okay, guys, another tip. I just missed 4 or 5 crappie. So what you want to do is angle your hook up a little bit, so that way when you set your hook you can catch them. When you get these hand ties from anyone, you always want to bend that hook up, you guys. Good crappie. Sweet. Found him in open water. Maybe too small. Pretty-o. Copperhead head, brown body, dull green tail. A lot of little dinks. A lot of little dinks. Look at this here. Okay. Too small. Copperhead, brown body, dull green tail. Fishing this color because it's fishing in a shade right now, so the sun's not really out, so I'm fishing with a darker color. Got a real good one. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. Get in the boat, Steve, get in the boat. He wanted that one. What do y'all think? First one of the morning. Copperhead, brown body, dull green tail. Got another one, you guys. Sweet. I have to measure him. Man, come on, get out of there. Pretty fish. Oops. Copperhead, brown, and light green. Got him, you guys. Good crappie. Good crappie. Ooh, that's a keeper. Nice. Get him in the boat, Steve. Boat flip. Nice. Great. Pretty crappie. Copperhead, brown body, dull green tail. I'm gonna have to measure him. He might be a little too small. Not bad. Copperhead, brown, that light green. Might be a little white. It's fine like a white. Nah, it's crappie. Nice. Sweet. Sitting out there in open. That's what I'm trying to learn, you guys, is open water crappie. Now, trying to pick out a good keeper, it's a different story. not bad. He's a keeper, though. Copperhead, brown, that light tan, that light green, y'all. They liking it. Another one, I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a white. Sweet. I think we're gonna start keeping the whites away. Cool. Big white. Nice. Okay, cool. It's legal. Not bad, y'all. Not bad. This might be a white. Yeah, it's a white. It's got to be a white. If it's a crappie, it's a big crappie. It's got to fighting a little different, though. I hope it's a crappie. If it's a crappie, it's going to be a big one. See in a minute. No, that's a white. That's a white. Nice. Guys, I think the white bass is on. What do y'all think? That's a good one, too. Uh-oh. Cool, guys. Fell off in a boat. That's a pretty one. Not bad, not bad. This one, no, this one's gonna be too small. Open water crappie. Boom. So this is a choice. Do you target open water crappie or do you target crappie on brush? That is the question. Open water crappie. Sitting out there in the open, just sunning. I gotta get the pliers on him. Copperhead, brown body, chartreuse tail. Got one, you guys. Not bad. Another keeper. I think pretty. Good black. What do you think? Pretty. Pretty. I'm gonna have to get the pliers on him, you guys. Brown head, brown body, dull green. Pretty good, you guys. You guys. Not bad. Not bad at all. Brown head, brown body, green tail. Pretty. Nice one too. Good donkey. Good donkey. Woohoo! Get in here. Well, he thumped that. He thumped it. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have to get the pliers. Nice fish. Man, he was like 2 inches from the surface. I mean, 2 inches from the surface. That's nuts. He slammed it. I mean, he slammed it. Come on, get out of there. Well, y'all, gotta get the pliers. I got about 9 to go and I got my limit. Same color jig. Crazy. When you guys, it's a little bitty guy. Little bitty guy. He followed it though. Get him in the boat, Steve. Oh yeah, nice. Got one, you guys. Not bad, not bad. 8 more to go. Not bad, you guys, not bad. That's it. Let's go. Not bad, not bad. Woo-hoo. Well, he wanted that. He came out of nowhere and got it. Good one, too. Black nose. Sweet. Pretty crappie. But he wanted this one.
Yeah, I was picking them up. I thought they were shad.
Yeah, no, they're crappie. But some of them are in the open too. What do y'all think? Black nose. He's even got this one on his mouth. Weird. Nice fish. Oh, it's a little bitty guy. I thought it was going to be a keeper. Man, we're whacking and stacking today on that same jig. That's the only one I used. Nice. Copperhead, brown body, and dull green. Big crappie. The monster of the day. Man, that was the biggest. Oh, he had a big image, but I thought he was gonna be bigger than that, you guys. Man, that was fun. Not bad. Copperhead head, brown body, and a dull green, like an olive green tail. Pretty fish. Got another one. Little bitty guy. Nice. Oh, he'll keep too. Sweet. Yeah, that makes 25. I caught about 40 today, maybe 45, I don't know. Nice fish though. Sweet. Copperhead, brown body, that olive green tail. Good fish. Ah, that's a little small. Just a tad small. We're in a Checo. We're whacking and stacking. Pretty. Good crappie. Good crappie. Get it in the boat. Pretty crappie. Nice. Going in a frying pan. Well, yeah, it's cornmeal model of the day. It's a big one too. Sweet. Oh yeah. Not bad, not bad. I did not have to switch colors one time today. Oh, come on, get out of there. Pretty crappie. We had a good day. Stillhouse was good today. What do y'all think? And this thing is huge. Forgot to cut my tag end off my line too. Wow. Well, I do believe I'm gonna have to get pliers. That's a pretty fish, you guys. Steve Webb, sun up, sun down. And God bless, guys.